Hi guys, so this screencast is going to show you how to make functions using codeHS. So if this is the part where you got a little stuck, which is on lesson 3, this is where I think a lot of people have trouble, so I don't want you to give up. So I'm just going to show you how to go through this lesson 1.16 slide Carol. So we want to make Carol starting over here. We want to make the world look this way at the end. So the first thing I want to do is put a ball where she is. So I'll just write my put ball function. Now once I'm done with that, I'm going to want Carol to move to turn so that she can move down to this spot so we can move over to put the ball over here. Or I can have her move forward, so maybe we could do that first. I'll have Carol put the ball here, move forward. Then she still has to turn to go down to this spot. So I want her to turn right. But that's not a function that we know because Carol can only use turn left. So they want us to create this function, which is we have to write function and the name of it. So I can name it whatever I want. I can name it function Julia. And then here I could write Julia, and it will still work. It will just do whatever this function is, it will do when it reaches the same thing. They want us to name it turn right. So we have our function turn right, and we have to use these curly braces to put our function inside. So once we do that, it's saying that whatever's in these curly braces, that's part of my function. So what do I want? What do I mean when I say turn right? I mean I want to turn left 3 times. Right? So now I'm going to end my curly braces. And you're going to notice how they're going to line up with each other because they know, oh, this is where your function started, this is where it's ending, and this is everything that's in this function called turn right. So now I'm going to put my ball, move, and then call my function turn right, and that's now going to play whatever's in here. Now after that, you'll notice also I put my function at the bottom of my code. You want to get used to doing that because every time you write code, you might have multiple functions. You might have like 6 different functions, and you don't want them all scattered throughout your code. So you're going to have your code at the top, and then any functions that you're using are going to come at the bottom. So now I'm going to turn right, and then I'm going to move so that I'm down in the middle, and then I'm going to put a ball there. So now I put a ball, moved, turned, went to the middle, put the ball. Now I'm going to want to move. I'm already facing down, so I could say move again. Now I'm down here, and then I want to turn left here, so I'm not going to turn right again. And I'm going to move, and I'm going to put my ball. Let's see if that works. So if you spell anything wrong or if you do the wrong capitalization, that will come up as an error. But right here, if you have your function called and you use your function in your code, then you'll be all set to go.